I'm being too loud for 4:30 in the morning. Sorry neighbours. So what's up guys, welcome to this vlog. It is an extremely early one. As I just said, it's only about 4:30 in the morning. So for those of you who don't know, my name is Dan, I'm 22 and I'm from Dublin, Ireland. And I would tell you my job, but that's kind of the whole point of this vlog. This vlog is about what to do after college, which honestly is nearly as scary as what to do after leaving school. So it's kind of applicable if you're only leaving school as well. It's why the early morning and the flight. I'll give you a hint, there's something to do with the new job. And we've just made it to Darmstadt, Germany. This new job that I have involves not only travelling but getting picked up from the airport by a guy who was, you know, when they're standing there outside holding signs and it said Daniel Dunne. I don't know, it's still a bit surreal to me because I'm just used to like googling the cheapest way to get to the hotel. But yeah, guy picked me up, just got to the hotel room. Cheeky hotel room tour. Cheeky hotel room tour. Let's swap out this lens. We got the gorgeous new Sigma lens on now. Get some cinematics. Wow, a hotel room cinematic sequence. Super original. Anyway, I guess some of you might be wondering why I'm in Germany, and the reason I'm making this vlog about like what to do after college and what my new job is because this trip is kind of the perfect intersection of my two new jobs. Let me explain. So for anyone who's been following me for, I don't know, the last 4 to 6 months maybe, you might have seen that I've started doing freelance videography. Basically when I came home from San Francisco I was contacted by a guy, or I got connected with a guy called Dan Ram, and that was kind of the catalyst for my freelance videography. And that's one of the predominant reasons I'm in Germany. I'm actually filming an event for a massive pharmaceutical company. Same pharmaceutical company that also flew me to Dubai. I was mid-vlogging and I just walked past like a public breakup, you know, where the boyfriend takes the girl to the park. Ugh, that was not savoury. Now I love freelance videography. The harder I work, the more money I earn. There's a huge amount of flexibility in the hours. I am just always learning and meeting the most interesting people. That just never happened to me when I worked in an office environment. But there was like no security with freelance stuff. And here enters my second job. So I was doing a huge amount of videography work with Dan Ram for him personally, and as well as shadowing him at events and doing event videography. And he kind of realised my main skills were not in videography, they were kind of in like knowing business and stuff that I'd learned from college. So he kind of pitched a job to me that involved business development and just building his brand. So, well, I took it. That's why I'm here. So essentially I am now a business developer for Dan Ram as well as a freelance videographer. I kind of split the time 50-50. That's based now on a 50-hour work week, which, you know, I'm happy to do. If you enjoy what you do, it doesn't feel as much as work. Like right now I'm strolling around in 30 degrees Germany. So that's my terrible explanation on my new job or jobs. So yeah, now I gotta go meet up with the event crew. It's just a day ahead of the event just to suss out the place. So hotel. So I just spent the last 5, 6, I don't know, 7 hours at the Innovation Centre, so the venue for where we're shooting the event tomorrow, with the team and the MC, and just going over all the details. Didn't need to be there for that long, but it's just kind of the way it worked out. So here's a quick look at me trying to like sort out my life as a freelance videographer for an event tomorrow. So we got a portable charger, we got this cable organizer with cables, extra batteries, lens cleaners, extra SD cards. We have my old DSLR just as a backup, or actually maybe use to shoot. I have to shoot photos as well, so it's probably used for that too. Got the H1 zoom mic, we got multiple lenses, an extra gimbal, laptop. We've got a whole charging situation going on here for batteries for 2 cameras, and it all has to fit in this camera bag here. Now why I mentioned the 2 jobs is because I have to pack all of this, but I'm actually mid answering emails regarding my business development stuff while doing all this, so my head is just up in the clouds, but I'm surprisingly focused and surprisingly pumped to do all this work. So Alright guys, and that was the Merck startup day in their amazing innovation centre. I hope you enjoyed that video. I haven't actually edited yet. It's 3 o'clock the next day. I've done maybe half. I have 2 videos to do. I've done half of the first one. I spent 2 hours in Starbucks just setting up the whole edit. So today is my last day in Darmstadt, Germany, and the title of this video is what to do after college, so I thought I'd address that more. I spoke a lot about my new job, and the reason I spoke about my new job a lot is because it's so kind of random. It doesn't really fit my course, or arguably fit my personality for a while. That's why I spoke so much about it, because if you'd have told me in first year that this would be my job, or this would be what I wanted to do when I left college, I would have thought you were crazy. And that's kind of the point I want to get across, is if you never know what you're going to end up doing, and it's really hard to make a decision so early on. So my advice would just be to try a lot of stuff and kind of see what sticks, see what you enjoy. So I tried vlogging. I'm not the best vlogger, but turns out I love videography. So now I do it as my job. And through college I found that I love like brands, and I love digital marketing. I love growing, or the idea of growing a business. Hence my job with Dan Ram, trying to grow his brand as like a tech speaker. I hope someone finds some sort of use from this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, because I gotta go back to Starbucks now for the next 3 hours before my car comes and picks me up to take me back to the airport, because I gotta catch my flight today. Back to Starbucks we go. So I actually never ended up going to Starbucks. I was vlogging like that sequence there, that video there, and a guy came over and kind of interrupted me just to introduce himself, and he showed me this really cool cafe that was like part of the university. So I spent the next couple of hours there, and yeah, shout out to Tommy who put himself on the vlog.
Hi lads, I'm Tommy. Pleasure to meet you. We just met while he was filming, essentially.
Yeah, he's not British, he's German.
Well, I tried to hide it, but I'm a bit ashamed of it. But
you don't sound German at all.
Wait, hang on, is this in focus? Because it's focusing on some place behind us, right?
Ah, it's close enough.
Close enough?
Yeah, it's
close enough. Yeah. Alright, so I'm off to get some stuff printed now. Yeah. But I hope you have a fantastic return journey.
Yeah, this guy showed me like the coolest. It's a cafe. I know, it's really cool.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah. Great meeting you. I'll be in touch. Yep. Thanks, man. See ya.
Bye, mate.
Now I'm late for my taxi to the airport.